This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Exceptional and exquisite. Custom designed penthouse with unrivaled water and skyline views. Elegant foyer and entry hall designed for artwork. Open living room and dining area with breathtaking views from main balcony and 3 French balconies. Stunning kitchen, separated by a leathered granite counter with conversation area, with cherry cabinets to the ceiling. GE Cafe stainless steel appliance package, 6-burner gas range, butler/wine pantry, under cabinet lighting. Private quarters include floor-to-ceiling windows in 2 bedrooms and ensuite baths. One functions as a library den/study with built-ins, one exquisite suite and the spacious PBR with a walk-in closet to die for. Smart LED lighting, Brazilian cherry flooring, and elegant finishes throughout. 3rd bedroom functioning as a den with pocket door to guest suite. For more information, review the details below.